Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add different border on a space in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first, open your Publisher document. Then you can see add different border to is border. Now going to the insert button option. Then click. Now click for text box. Now draw a text box in all page. Now you can see, then draw text box. Now going to the format button option, then click. Now click for shape outline, then select from any source color. Now I'm choose from yellow color. Then again click for shape outline. Now click for avoided option, then select from 3pt. That is. Now other face in different border add. Now select from a second page option. Now again going to the insert button option, then click for draw text box. Now draw a text box. Now going to the format button option, then click for shape outline option. Now in this color I am choose from red color. That is. Now again shape outline. Now click for widget option. Now click for 4pt. That is. Then I show insert add different border in a space in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.